Now this is very interesting. Seabots from Cube 6.
There's a big layout in France called Mini World.
Okay.
Similar to Wonderland. It's not as old, so it's not as big, but it's about the same quality. And they have a reproduction of the Côte d'Azur, the southern part of France, and they have this system.
Hi, Harry.
So many people already have like a TV. They're not using it.
So it's an HDTV with something added. I'm not sure what or how.
Yeah.
It's a computer. You use the sound, you use the TV as a monitor.
Exactly. So, you know, scale water. You've even seen real water.
Maybe we should be doing this with trains.
People have been saying, you know, it'd be nice to add cars, but
You get a 70-inch screen. You can run an HO set.
the real power of having a television is you can show terrain that moves. And you know, I can think of some other examples of terrain that moves, like maybe sand dunes with wind blowing over them and things like that. When it comes to train tracks and parking lots and, you know, highways, they're pretty stationary, so it's not an ideal fit for this. But so what I'm doing right now is I'm adding white water. So this is just how easy it is to set up a shoreline for your plaster model in this case. Once again, all I do is I hit run. I have all that ocean water.
Fish so you can run.
I can have sharks and submarines.
Very clever.
But it's really easy to, just like you swap out locos on your track, I can have multiple models of boats, and I can just pick it up, drop it down.
So is there like a light sensor in the boat that's
There is,
tracking
yeah.
that?
Here you can see the bottom of that. So this is the Seabot propulsion module, and this is what you would buy if you want to have your own model boats. N scale, Z scale, it doesn't matter what scale or gauge, but it has light sensors on the bottom that will drive the two wheels, and is tank style steering, right?
Right.
So here you can see the propulsion module by itself without a boat on it. And that's as any model that will fit that within the empty space below it, that's you can have run on one of these systems. Yeah, with the boat hiding it from above, it's really an invisible magical effect.
And so it does not involve any physical change to the HDTV.
Not at all. In fact, we have these hooked up to computers just so we can show how easy it is to use the software. You know, it's a lot of drag and drop kind of stuff. Like I can set the length of the boats and the effects like that. But this one over here, we have it essentially running with a video player, like a DVD player. No computer involved at all. So we just have the ocean video playing on a constant loop.
Okay.
And you get the same effect. So you don't have to have a computer hooked up to your screen all the time.
So is the rocking boat effect an extra feature?
The rocking boat is a separate product. That's called the Sea Swell. And the Sea Swell it's a standalone module. This one doesn't move around the water like the other one. See, it doesn't have the wheels.
Right.
But this is great for your harbors where you have a bunch of boats parked at the dock, because it adds that realism, that rocking motion. And additionally, this is a good product for people who are not ready to take the leap and put a full television into their setup, because this will work on a poured epoxy or a painted water feature. So you can see here, it's just sitting on the dock, and it has that rocking effect. So any flat surface, you can put these down and you get that rocking effect. So these look great when you have, you know, a few of them kind of all together in the harbor and they're all rocking back and forth together. So,
let's see if I can get this in. That might work. We'll see.
Sure thing. Website is cubed6.com. Cubed6.com.
All right. Thank you. So, how many people have a old HD TV now sitting around because they've upgraded to an 8K or an 80-inch unit or something like that. This could be a place to put that older TV. What a wild idea.
One of the railroad magazines.